In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-accept or decline calendar invites in Outlook. 5 minutes. If your inbox fills up with meeting requests or you want your calendar to manage itself when you're busy, this setting can save you time and prevent double bookings. We'll do everything right inside the Outlook desktop app, and by the end, your calendar will automatically handle incoming invites exactly the way you want. Start by opening the Outlook app on your computer. Make sure you're in the main Outlook window where you can see your mail and calendar. This feature is designed for the desktop version of Outlook, so it may look different if you're using Outlook on the web. Next, go to the upper left corner and select File. This opens the Backstage view where you'll find app-wide settings and account controls. From here, choose Options. That opens the Outlook Options window, which is where most of the deeper customizations live. In the Outlook Options window, select Calendar from the left-hand side. This is where you can control how your calendar behaves, including work hours, reminders, and processing of meeting requests. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Automatic Accept or Decline. Depending on your version, this area may also be referred to as Resource Scheduling, and it's typically located near the bottom of the calendar settings. Click the Auto Accept/Decline button. This opens a dialog with choices that determine how Outlook handles meeting requests for you. Here's how to think about them. You can automatically accept meeting requests and remove cancelled meetings, which is helpful if you prefer everything to land on your calendar without manual clicks. You can automatically decline conflicting meeting requests to prevent double bookings, and you can automatically decline recurring meeting requests if you don't want to commit to series that could overtake your schedule. Choose the options that best match your workflow. For example, if you're often double booked, enable the conflict decline. If you want everything tentatively on your calendar, use Auto Accept. When you're done, click OK to confirm your choices, and then close any remaining settings windows by clicking OK again so the changes take effect. That's it. Your calendar will now process invitations based on the rules you selected. A quick tip, send yourself a test invite or ask a colleague to send one to confirm the behavior matches your expectations. You can return to these settings anytime to fine-tune them, especially if your schedule or preferences change. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, smarter Outlook calendar.